how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery or your photos. First, open Pinterest, and here we are on Pinterest. So what you have to do is just find a video that you want to download. So for me, I'm just gonna search up England clips, and it will bring something like this. So you got two methods basically on how you can download this. So first one is pretty simple. You can see these three dots right next to the video. Just press on three dots and you will be able to see download option. So in some of the videos you won't be able to see download option just like this, but yeah, in this video you just press download and the video will download right away in our gallery, just like that. But let's say if you don't have a download option and you still want to download the video, just press on copy link, and once you copy it, just go to your web browser. So for this video I'm gonna use Google Chrome. You could use Safari too, but I'm just gonna go with Google Chrome. And once you're in Google Chrome, what you have to do is just type in Pinterest video downloader. Just search up Pinterest video downloader just like this, and then press on the first one. Once you do this, you just have to paste the link that you copied. Here you go, and then press download. So it's just gonna work on the URL. Just gotta wait, and here you go. And then press force download. Here, as you can see, it's downloading. So you just gotta wait until it's fully downloaded. It's 2.6 megabytes. Here you go. Just press open in downloads and then press again open in downloads. Here you go. This is our video. This is it. I can't play the full video due to copyright issues, but yeah, there you saw it. And let me show you the other video that we downloaded in our gallery. Here, as you can see, this is the video that we used. So yeah, this is exactly on how you can download Pinterest videos to your gallery. That's it for this video. Goodbye.